Good morning! Welcome to Free Movement 7.0 Not Finished!
Woohoo!
Come. You shifted everything out of our other space and it's a huge mess here, but come, let me show you. So this side is going to be our retail side. Yeah, it's a mess. And here we have the studio side, where again all the cylinders are done here. Makes the whole place seem so small, but I promise you, it actually looks a lot bigger. And of course, I have my number one supporter here.
Me.
Hello. Hello.
So proud of Sandra and Free Movement. It's gonna be an awesome space.
It is gonna be an awesome space. Love is us. The things I do for Free Movement. Let's go climb the roof. What do you say? I wanna go up. Whoa.
Careful of barbed wire.
It's done. Our roof is done. Good morning, everyone. So this is, I don't know which day in we are now, but welcome to Free Movement's messy space. And today I'm actually going to clean up the floor a little bit before the guys come and do the floor later. So I'll just show you what the floor looks like now. Chun chun chun. Nasty. So we're actually going to lay our marley mat over the floor because, you know, this has been one hell of a crazy reno. And I think it's gonna look really good with that. So I'm just gonna clean out the floor and make sure it's dry before all of the guys come to lay our floor. Hi guys! So we are 3 weeks plus into the renovations and we have, well, quite a few things still not done. The doors are getting installed right now. I can't wait for that to go up. The glass frontage and as well as the mirrors are coming up on this coming Saturday. So I can't wait for all of that to be up. I'm gonna do a little bit more lights by the end of this whole chapter. Yeah, probably do a house for our scanner as well, our 3D body analysis scanner, which is the first in Singapore, by the way. So yeah, I wanna just have a couple of things, but let me just show you the new doors. They're about to come up and they're gonna be in white, painted white at least. So I'll show you the whole space now. So quick update, it is definitely not as crazy. Still got lots of things going on. I am gonna do a cabinet over here because I realized that I actually need space to keep all of our marley mats before we deliver out to our customers. And then we've got the door installation that's gonna go on. I'm gonna mount that up for our scanner. So there's the door installation that's gonna go on later. And then, well, you can see the spool thread holders are gonna go up. We've got our machines up on this side. This one's not gonna be here, it's gonna be at the front area. So yeah, this is fun. Whoa. Okay, so I know a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, what does this look like to you? Okay, so our threads are all, oh, we have a hell of threads, really lot of threads. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to be popping these babies up here, like that. Beauty. Let me do one more. Gorgeous. And another one. Wonderful. So that's all gonna be there. So if you've seen pictures of our space before, I love actually our thread spool holder once it's all up, because it's actually really sturdy. So I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it is very sturdy, so I quite like that. And then we've got our mannequins done up here. Oh my god, so messy. Our industrial machines, pillows that I need to wash. Doors are gonna go on now. Alright, the filming room has this up already. Oh my god, that hole's not closed. So we've got this going on here. Then I've got my mirrors mounted up. This is not done. The landlord needs to fix this leak. Oh goodness. Check out my terrapins. Makeshift area. Well, they are here. One baby under there. So that's faith. I believe that it's hope, charity, and love. Love has grown. She's so big now. So this is their basking light over here. And I've got my fighting fishes. And the toilet is somewhat up. So yeah, this is kind of how it looks like. Hi. So the contractors are putting up the mirrors now. So I'm gonna show you a peek as to how it's gonna look like and where it's gonna be. But I'm not gonna go fully out because it's quite a mess now outside. We're in the filming room now, obviously. Yeah, I'll just show you. So they're putting on all of the plywood as the base backing to make it level and safe so that the reflection is clear. And once that is all said and done, which actually kind of is, then the mirrors are gonna go up. So today is finally the day that these shutters are gonna be gone forever. They're going to put up the glass panels today, so it's gonna be nice and pretty. And the glass panels and the mirrors are gonna be up by today as well. Just happening! The glass is gonna come up soon. So they are taking down the shutters to put on the glass. So we're gonna put up a signage over here and there as well. So cute, right, my neighbors? Hello, neighbors. So this one's a pet hostel, so for small pets. And then the fragment room is where you smash stuff. So that's kind of fun. And then we have our dance studio and fitness apparels over here with our 3D scanners. So that's cool. So yeah, I can't wait for this to be done. Oh my god! Yuck! I'm so glad I'm taking that out. Can you imagine? Got so much cleaning up to do after this. Ooh. Oh yuck! Oh my god! Hey brother, bring outside! Bring outside! Don't put inside. Thank you. Oh my god! Yuck! Oh my god! What? Ugh! Oh god! Whew! This is why I wash my hands like 30 times a day when I'm here. I'm glad I decided to take the shutters out and not leave it there, because this is terrible. Shutters are finally coming down! Yes! Am I the only one freaking out about my scanner or what? Oh. So much cleaning to do. Mirrors are going up. Cool. Yeah. The glass is coming up. It's looking great. That looks terrible, but this looks great. Big news. Oh. What? So we have our storage box done. We have our mirrors almost done. We have our spotlights done. We have not done our flooring. We still have that to do. But come on, to the very messy sewing space. This is not yet filled. We're gonna put all of our thread spools tomorrow. And this, we have just hung up our poles, so we're gonna hang up our zips and stuff like that. This is not gonna be here. And that bad boy has been solved. So the leak has stopped, and so we are going to paint that up and cover all of that. And then the patterns are a mess. We have our terracing tank set up. I've decided to leave them here for now at least. And we've got some shelves, and this looks bad. Everything here looks like a mess. So I'll give you another update tomorrow. Good morning, happy people! So today's the first day we actually have Tessa here for sewing class, and I'm just gonna give you a quick update on how our space looks like now with our glass frontage and stuff like that. So let me show you. Okay, just an update. Our glass frontage is finally up. Oh yay! And well, we're waiting for the signages. There's just lots of work here to be done, but yes, let me show you what it looks like inside. So windy. Whoa, things flying. So we do have a dance class going on tonight. So the flooring is actually going to be only done later. So that's that. I'm gonna mount the bars over here, and then we also have our sewing space here. Limujii, say hello. And then we have our threads going on here, and Tessa is here for sewing workshop. This is the first one. Tessa's making a very, very brilliant leotard. Doesn't that look amazing? Looks great. I like the color. Tessa chose the color. And our patterns are here. This is kind of how it looks like from here. So if you've watched all the way until here, I would like to say thank you so much for being a part of my entrepreneurship journey. It's been such a blessing, and I can't wait to show you the final results of how the studio looks like. And to be frank, right now we are in June 2021, but I haven't officially finished everything in the studio, although you can see some parts of it are mostly already done and fixed, but there are still quite a few things that I want to finish up first before I do the final showing a view of the final result. But this is a little bit of how it looks like in the dance studio, and I'm just very thankful and very grateful for you and for every single one who have been here in our shop house space and in our dance studio and being a part of our sewing journey. So I just wanted to say that we have separated our online sewing school and also our dance studio, as well as our home studio equipment and stuff like that. So do follow us on our social media. So that's at Free Movement SG. That's where we have our dance classes, and that is where we have our home studio equipment like our ballet bars, our mirrors, our Mali floors, and we also have Free Movement Sewing. So Free Movement Sewing is our online sewing school to teach you how to sew. So thank you so much. If you did enjoy this video, do like and subscribe to us so that you can watch more videos, and also do comment down below if you want to see anything or if you have any questions about being an entrepreneur, whether you're in Singapore or anywhere around the world. I'll be more than happy to guide and help in any way possible that I can, and that is my way of giving back to every single one of you guys for being part of this entrepreneur journey. And honestly, being an entrepreneur, it's not easy. It takes a little bit of craziness to actually get things done, but that's how it is, and I am so thankful of everyone who has been a part of my life. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next week for the next video, and hopefully I will do the big reveal very soon once the contractors are done doing up some of the minor stuff that I need fixed first. So come over to our studio anytime, and I'll see you online very soon. So if you have any questions, DM us anywhere, DM me anywhere, and I'll definitely reply. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!